Alright folks, we're going to do a power steering fluid replacement. So this is obviously the cap for it. Just going to give you an idea of the location within the engine compartment itself. This is the passenger side, driver side over there. And then here's your overflow coolant reservoir battery. And then here's your power steering. If you can, do this cold, because the fluid that you're going to get in the bottle is going to be cold, or like room temperature type of thing. So the fluid will expand and contract as it gets hotter and colder. It's going to be hard to simulate heat of a vehicle without creating a dangerous situation for yourself heating a semi-flammable fluid. So best thing to do is just, if you can, change this first thing in the morning or when you haven't driven for hours throughout the day, because it makes it a lot easier. And also for refilling purposes, it makes it a lot easier to just go to the cold line versus trying to go to the hot line. But if you choose to, there are different levels for hot fluid levels versus cold fluid levels. So what I ended up getting, I had these for a different purpose. These are like dental, like syringes of sorts. I bought these off Amazon. I'll provide a link in the description. And then I had some random hose. This is actually from a bait tank that I didn't use, but it fits on this for one, and then also fits on the nipples of the calipers if you choose to use this type of hose for like brake bleeding as well. You can also buy this in some automotive stores. Napa will probably be your best bet, but you can look around too. Also probably even like a pet store, because this is like the hose that ties into the aerator stone to like an air supply. Alright, so anyway, we're going to go ahead and just insert this into this reservoir, and we're going to pull it out like that. Okay, easy does it. What I'm doing is I'm dumping it into a oil catch container. Because this stuff is recyclable, so you can take it to your local auto store, like an Advanced Auto or AutoZone or O'Reilly's. And you can dump it there for free. I change my own oils, transmission differentials, of course engine oil. So I have a bigger oil catch, but even if you don't really do a lot of stuff, you can take like a soda bottle. You know, there's not much in here. Okay, then I got the ubiquitous Prestone. Since this is a Nissan Titan, the Asian vehicle, specifications at least for the fluid. And I'm going to fill this back to the cold line, and I'm going to fill it to the cold max. That's where I want it. And you can probably see how much clearer. Hey, look at that. You can see how clear that is in there now. Easy as that. I'll provide a link to this in the description, as well as, like I said, that dental syringe. The hose, you can find something almost certainly laying around, or probably when you're not looking for it, to be honest. That will work to help with this. I'll see if I can potentially find something to link in the description though too for that. And as always, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Thanks.